Hello everyone, welcome back to Unite Coaching. So in this video, we will start with the latest series of STAAD Pro Connect Edition. So what we will do, we will show you one by one how you can master this software STAAD Pro Connect Edition. So once you open the STAAD Pro Connect Edition, this window will open. Here you can enter the file name. For example, as this is a first tutorial, I'll just show you. I'll put the random name test1. Then it is asking the location to be saved. So I have already selected this location. You can change the location from here. Type you can always select physical, analytical or building. So I'll select analytical one. Now this one is very important. Units I want in kilonewton and meter. So I'll select metric unit and I'll just click on create and click yes. No, because it was asking for the old one to be saved. Now once you click this option, default setting will be generated like this. So this is how the Connect Edition window looks like. For example, if you put here the coordinates in the STAAD Pro, they will appear here. In this STAAD Pro, the coordinates or the points are generally known as nodes. Here you can see it, nodes. So if I click on this 0 like this and click here, if you click here, no node will be created. See, there is no node is getting created. So what you do, you click on 0 and click here. Now a node is getting created here. So if you want to draw the points at different locations, first of all, see in which view are you. See, 3 dimensions or 3 directions, X, Y and Z direction it is showing. So it means you are in 3D view. So to check various views, you have to go to view and you have to select these options. STAAD Pro will show you the isometric 3D view, the top view, the bottom view. Once I'm clicking this, so this axes are also changing. See, if I click on front view, it is showing Y in the upward direction, X in this direction. If I click on top view, it is showing X and Z direction and Y as it is height. So height will not be shown in plan. So I'll select this option. So in plan, this 0, 0 I have marked. This is my first reference point. Now, there are various methods to select various members in the STAAD Pro. For example, as I have told you already, that if you want to select the nodes, you have to make sure that you are on this command, select node cursor. This point in the STAAD Pro, it is known as node. So if you want to select this, see, if I'm trying to select it is not getting selected. So what you have to do, you have to click on node cursor and then if you select it, it is getting selected, right? So if you want to select the node, you must tick this option, node cursor, and then select this one. Then in the same way, for example, let me copy this for your example. I'm copying it and I'm pasting this at a distance of, see, this direction is X direction. So I'm pasting it at a distance of 5 meter and click OK. Now the second node is getting created. So if I select all these 2 nodes are getting selected. Now I will draw a beam on this 2 nodes, these 2 points. So I'll go to geometry and click on add beams. So if I click on this option and then click on this node, a beam is getting created. Let's click on escape on the keyboard and I will be out from that add beam command. Now, if I want to select this beam, my default selection will be in beam cursor. See, if I am selecting this, it is getting selected on beam cursor. Now, if I want to select these nodes, they are not getting selected, right? So what I should do, I'll go to select, then select the node cursor. And now if I'm selecting the whole structure, even though only 2 nodes are getting selected because I'm on node cursor. Like this, if I click on beam cursor and click on this beam, see the beam is getting selected. So this user interface video, it will take a lot of time to explain. So one by one, I will show you the basic and I will go on increasing the difficulty. First of all, we will get an idea about how the user interface looks like. So first of all, I have shown you the node cursor, beam cursor like this. If you want to draw the slabs or the walls, RCC walls, they're generally known as plate. So if you want to select those structures, you must click on this option plate cursor and then only you will be able to select those slabs. Otherwise, if you click on that, you will not select. I'll show you the next videos where we will assign and draw the plates. Like this, there are various cursors. So Where I'm getting this option? In the select option here. Now, again, I'll go to geometry. Now, in STAAD Pro, one of the most used commands I will say will be this one. See, if I keep the cursor here, it is showing the name translational repeat. This is one of the most used command in the STAAD Pro. Why? Let me show you. If I'm selecting this beam and I want to copy this beam somewhere here, in which direction it is showing? Let me copy it in the downward direction. Okay. So I want to copy this beam in the downward direction. What I will do? I'll click on this option, translational repeat. This window will appear. I'll take it on the side. Okay. Now, I want to copy this beam in the downward direction. Here, something here. So, which direction is this? It is Z direction. So, I'll click on this Z option. Then, at a distance of 5 meters, I want to copy. So, I'll enter 5 here and I'll click on OK. So, what is happening? This beam, same beam is getting copied here along with its nodes. Now, I'll Control Z to take it back. Now, again, see, again, I'm doing the same command, but this time what I will do, see, I'll click on translational repeat, then take this window here. Again, I'll select the Z command in Z direction. Now, the distance will always be same for this case, 5 meters. Now, this time I'm clicking this option, link steps. So, once I click on this link steps, what is happening? The beam, not only the beam will be copied, but in between, these two beams will be attached or they will be connected with the vertical beams also. If you select this option, see. What is happening? Last time when I unticked this option, this option was not ticked. Only the beam was getting copied here. But this time, as I have ticked this option, so the vertical beams are also getting copied like this. Let me show you some other example. I'll click on select. I'll select these two nodes and first of all, I'll select the node cursor. I'll select these two nodes and I want to copy these nodes in this direction. So it is showing in this direction it is X. So in this direction it will be minus X, right? See, here it is showing X direction. So this direction will be minus X. Okay. Now I want to copy this node somewhere here at a distance of say maybe 4 meters. I'll again go to geometry, go to translational repeat, and in the translational repeat, I'll select the direction as X and the distance I'll put now, for example, 4 meters, and I'll click on OK. So what is, sorry, I put here 4, na? It should be -4. As I have told you, I want to go in this direction. So I'll again go to translational repeat and click on X direction. This time I'll put the -4, -4, and I'll click on OK. So what is happening? These two nodes are getting copied here in this direction as I have put the negative sign here. Now, only the nodes are getting copied. But what I want what this beams from this point to this point and beam from this point to this point also. So what I'll again undo this. Again, I'll select these two nodes, then go to translational repeat here. It is coming in geometry, okay? And this time the direction is X, distance is -4. Now this time what I will do, I'll click on link steps. What will happen? This horizontal beams will also be drawn. Click OK. See, like this. So this way you can draw this. You can use this translate. This is most used command in the STAAD Pro. I'll show you why in the next videos also. So this is how the user interface, because user interface will take a lot of time to explain. So what we will do, we will break this video into number of parts so that it is not very hectic for you to understand all the functions in this STAAD Pro. Okay. Now in the next video, what I will show you a structure wizard, how you can use this structure wizard. This is also one of the most important commands because the ready-made sections are available here. If you want to draw a ready-made truss section, so you just have to enter the details. For example, the details are like this and I'll click on OK. So see, the ready-made how truss is getting drawn here. And you can transfer the same model, just click OK and it will get transferred to here. Now if I want to select this view and click on 3D view, see, because we already had these points, you can delete it later, but it is getting transferred here. In the next video, I'll show you in detail how you can use the structure wizard. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more such videos.